Came and rip it from you. Riding around in my coupe. Rory that ain't got no roof. Sorry, I cannot get loose. I'm always chasing the Benjamins.
G'day beasts and welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel today. In today's video, I'm going to be running through some of the merch and clothes that I've managed to pick up from going to the Kendrick Lamar concert that came to Melbourne 2 days ago. I'm going to run through all that sort of good stuff. If you do go on to enjoy, or if you've copped any of this merch at any of these other venues around the world, don't forget to smack the video a like and also subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so first up, we went to a pop-up store that he announced the day of the concert, and the pop-up store was in Fitzroy, so that was a bit of a walk from where we were. So we walked all the way out to Fitzroy to go to his pop-up store, thinking that there'll be quite a variety of merch. There wasn't too much of a variety. When we got there, there was a bit of a line, and I think we had to wait about 20 minutes or so to get in, and they were letting like 5 or so people in at a time, and you could not try on the stuff. You pretty much just had to go with whatever size you thought you could grab. The options were, there was a Nike Top Dog collab, which looked pretty cool. It was more of like a jersey style. It had Top Dog across the middle, and it had a Nike logo and a Top Dog Entertainment logo. Then there was also the Kendrick Lamar stuff that he's made for his tour, and these were more motor inspired. And so the long sleeves were $75, which is that first piece that I was telling you guys about, which had like Top Dog across the middle. And then the other piece was a t-shirt, and that was $55. And this is all including tax, because we're in Australia and taxes is included. So that was that. So I managed to get one item there, and this is the item here. We've got the Kendrick Lamar tour tee, which is pretty heavily motor inspired. I'd never usually buy anything with this much print on it for a t-shirt, but I thought I had to for the Kendrick Lamar concert and his pop-up store. So it's got all this different branding all the way around. It's got K Lamar on the back, number 2. It's really cool. I'll throw this on and I'll show you guys what it looks like on body as well. So I wanted the size large. The material of it's pretty rough. It just feels like a generic blank. It's got a very thick collar as well. You can see that, quite thick, so it fits quite tight around your neck. Wouldn't say it's the best quality, but definitely they've done really well with the graphics. And also I wanted to get this red because I didn't really have any red stuff to go with the Jordan 1s, so I really wanted to go something that had some red in it as a t-shirt, which will be matched really nice. So there is no city specific, so this doesn't say Melbourne anywhere on it, which I was a bit devastated. I was hoping it would say Melbourne or something along those lines, but I still really like it. My favourite little detail is this tag down the bottom right here. It says Top Dog Entertainment, and it's got a whole lot of other stuff on there as well. So it's just like a real jersey type finish there. Really like this t-shirt. Anyway, up next we went to the concert. We went for a bit of a walk, got to the concert, and they were selling merch there as well. There was a head of different merch. There was probably 3 t-shirts, which one of them was a long sleeve. They were also kind of motor inspired, but that one was definitely exclusive to his pop-up store, so I couldn't get that at the concert. And all the concert t-shirts were roughly the same price. I think they were 50. And then they also had long sleeves that had the same print as this jumper that I'm about to show you. And the jumper that I bought is this one here. I really like this. Is probably my favorite piece. It's black. It has Damn across the front in like this 3D font, and it's got some Kendrick Lamar and Top Dog Entertainment presents Damn tour and all that sort of stuff. Pray for me. There's a heap of writing on the back. Pray for me. All that sort of stuff. There's some stuff down the side as well, and it's all in this scribble pattern, which I really like as well. The scribble really works with sort of filling out the space for just basic words. It's really cool. I don't know how what they really went through, but this hoodie is actually a lot better quality than the t-shirt. I would say it is a Gildan hoodie, but it's definitely a good quality Gildan hoodie, because you know how there's like different variations of Gildan. This is a Gildan heavy blend, so it is quite a thick hoodie. And when I first saw it on the pinboard at the merch stand, I didn't think it was a heavy blend. I thought it was very thin, but when I got it in hand, definitely thick, and it will definitely be warm. So that is the Kendrick merch that I was able to pick up. And while I was there, we also did a little bit of shopping as well, and I managed to come up on a pair of $15 denim here from factory with knee rips, and it's like a black greyish wash. Don't really have anything, so I'll throw this all on show you guys what it all looks like, and yeah, we'll go from there, I think. So there we go, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Leave a comment and smack a like if you've gotten any of this Kendrick merch from around the world. Tell me if you had like a different pop-up exclusive or something like that. Let me know. Talk down in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Brodos. You have been awesome. Stay classy.